Good morning, students.
Good
This
morning, all.
yeah. So this
Yeah.
is Aarti Kagwade. I'm the training and placement officer, and today we have for the sixth episode of Being Industry Prepared, Mrs. Bharti Andre, and she's the owner and HR head of BN Digitech Private Limited. Ma'am, welcome.
Hello. Thank you.
So Ms. Bharti has more than 8 years of experience into HR, and she has started her own company after gaining this experience. So today we have invited her to this to our college to ask to her how it is like if you want to make career in HR, and for freshers how is it to work in a startup. Ma'am, can you please
Yeah.
share your experience?
This is a startup we have started in 2023. Okay, 2 years back we have started,
Okay.
and to be in part of the startup company, it is an achievement we can say for the students who is going to be enrolled here in the company, because in a startup, students will get an experience from the every manner like an HR recruitment, how the industry is working, what is a payroll, what is an operations. Okay, so everything they can learn from here in a startup, and in a short small form we can say there are many opportunities, and there the tasks, different tasks are there, so that students can be involved in this so and so activities, right? So there is a not like that like in MNCs, companies are giving one particular task to the employee, right? And they have to work on particular task on the whole of their
Career span.
experience, and
Right.
but in the startup they can get and they can experience every different parts of the HR, like what how payrolling is working, how operations are working, how's the recruitments are working. And to start the career into the HR, I think so recruitment is the best part of the HR domain, because in a recruitment, students can learn how to communicate with the people, how to communicate with the stakeholders, our employees, our colleagues, and the clients. So they can learn it from the recruitment only. So to they can enhance their communication skill, they can grow their confidence by starting their career into the recruitment. I have few students from CKT college only who
Oh,
have
nice.
passed out in 2024.
Okay.
They were really not able to speak, they were not confident enough, they were not able to contact to the clients. When they started calling, they are just passing the phone to the other senior persons, but now they are uh, itself they are handling their own clients
Okay, that's
without any
nice.
help. Yeah. So this is I think so best part to start the career into the startup company and from the recruitment.
Okay. So
Yeah.
for HR freshers, you say that recruitment is the best
Yeah.
option to
Options
start
to
with.
start. Yeah.
So what are the different things or roles as a fresher he or she can get into? Let's say we have PMS freshers. So
Okay.
what kind of roles can they expect as a fresher apart from recruitment? What the industry
Yeah.
has to offer?
Operations is there.
Okay.
Okay. In a payrolling, it's not easy to get directly
Hmm.
as a fresher. It will take time after getting some experience, because they have to understand first operations,
Right.
and then only they will get the opportunity to be in the payrolling. But yeah, in a recruitment, they will get easily job in the as a fresher. In the operations also they can might get, but nowadays there are many opportunities available in the market for the recruiters.
Okay.
Okay, IT recruitment, it is a rapidly growing.
Okay.
So day by day the we can say need of the HR recruiters is
All
increasing,
right.
because IT industries is growing fast.
Hmm.
So to match that and HR is required, okay,
Right.
to deploy such a
Hmm.
candidates.
Hmm. Hmm.
So for that purpose, recruitment, we have so many vacancies in so many companies.
Right.
So recruitment, I
So
think, so best part to start the career.
start with. Ma'am, then if someone has to get into a recruiter's job, what is the kind of experience or attributes or skills
Okay.
one should have?
So skills, as you can see, at least confidence level student must have.
Okay.
Okay, communication skill they must have, because they have to coordinate with the senior persons, they have to coordinate with the so many senior employees
Hmm.
to whom they are going to hire. Okay, so if HR is like the we can say he or she should be that much impressive their
Hmm.
communication, or when they are connecting to the employees or any candidate over the phone, over the email. So their impression should be for a longer term, it should be there with that employee, or in that mind of the employees who is we are going to be hired. So HR is like he or she have the leadership quality. Her communication must be impactable.
Right.
Okay, so then
Okay.
only they can survive for long. Otherwise, there are many people in the industry who
Right.
want to make their career into the HR, but they don't have that leadership quality.
Right.
Okay, that accountability must be there. Okay,
Right.
so student must have that accountability that this is my task, this is my KRA. If it is not mine, then also I'll do it, and I present this to my seniors, so
Seniors.
I can get good something from this. So
Good. Good.
that is
So
required. Yeah,
many things you have mentioned is communication,
communication, leadership.
go-getter, attitude, leadership, and way to present, take up new tasks, complete the tasks, and take up new things, assignments
Yeah.
as well. Ma'am, there is one last question I have for you. Is since you are into IT recruitment, what are the roles industry has to offer for IT freshers or CS freshers?
See, for the IT freshers, industry is not hiring it through the any other from the recruitment agencies or from any other. Many times they are doing the campus drives.
Okay.
Okay, and the IT freshers, they are directly, MNCs are directly hiring from the campuses only.
Okay.
Okay, for
Good.
that purpose, we have to invite such campuses for the IT freshers hiring.
Okay. But what
Okay,
are the roles they get
the
into?
roles they get, any like a web development, Java developer, .NET developer, then in a cloud. Nowadays AI is going on, so now your student who is into the BSc IT or BCA,